So, welcome again to another episode of learning Python and Django in 1 hour. So, right now we will be setting up our Python environment on our Windows operating system. So, first thing first, we'll be heading to Python official site to download um, Python. So this link will be attached in the description below. So head on to python.org/download. Then click on download Python. So whatever version you will be having in the year or period you'll be watching this video, download the Python version, though I downloaded this on my system. For an example, just download. After downloading, click on install. Let's run an example here. Wait for download. So that the download is done, click on file to install. Double click on it. Because I have installed Python on my system before, it's asking me to either uninstall, repair, or modify this, but yours will be different. It will ask you to install. For this, there's a particular instruction you need to uh, follow. You need to follow. I am not sure you are seeing my screen now. But after downloading, click on the file, it take you to installation. So after getting to installation, you will see an instruction to add Python to path during installation. That aspect is very important because that is where Python will be reading whatever you are doing. Your system will be able to interpret that you are running Python, and whatever you are doing, it will be recognized by Python environment. So it is important to click on add Python to path. So the second thing we'll be downloading is PyCharm. Just click on PyCharm, PyCharm download, PyCharm download in your Google. So it will take you to the official website. JetBrains. So we are getting PyCharm Community Edition. So this is the free version. So I've downloaded this on my system also, but just showing you the necessary software you will need to follow along this guide and how to install. So after downloading this, I don't know what's happening with my network. Go to sorry, JetBrain is the official owner of PyCharm. So you'll be using JetBrain official website. So we are not downloading the professional. We are not downloading the professional. We are only downloading for the free version. Hold on, I figure it out. PyCharm community. Hold on. Here we are downloading the PyChat Community Edition. So you are using Windows, you are using Linux on Mac, or just download your installer. I have that already on my PC. So after downloading, click on the software that you've downloaded. Click on uh, installation. After the installation is being done, then you should be able to see something like this. Hold on. You see something like that. Yes. So you should have something like this, though your setup may not look like this, but you should have an environment like this. So this is where we'll be doing most of our Python setup. So before any other thing, if you're having difficulties with your download, I will put the download link for both PyCharm and PyCharm and Python on the description below. Thank you. Do not forget to click on the likes, share, and subscribe button. Also, click on the notification button to get more updates from this channel, and also be the first person to get our uh, update the moment we drop new video. Thank you.